Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Pilot spark plugs. First, gather your essential tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and potential damage. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start any work. This crucial preparation ensures a smooth and secure spark plug replacement process. Next, locate the ignition coils, which are usually found on top of the engine. Gently disconnect the electrical connectors from each coil by pressing the release tab. Then, use a 10mm socket to remove the coil mounting bolts. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull each ignition coil straight up and out of its well to expose the spark plugs beneath. Now, it's time to install the new spark plugs. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. Carefully hand-tighten each spark plug into its well to prevent any cross-threading. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten the plugs to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 13 foot-pounds, ensuring a secure fit. To finish up, carefully reinsert each ignition coil into its well and secure it with the 10mm mounting bolt. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the coils, ensuring they click into place. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight. Start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.